the 692, you can say 200 divide by 3, okay, times 1000 divided by 230 volts. Okay. How much do you get? That is going to be 200 divided by 3 is going to 66,666 whatever times 1000 divided by, it's actually not 230, it's 231 volts. Okay. Okay? You get the same thing. Okay? So, if you're not sure, you can always check it. Okay? Change it to single phase. Okay? You know you've got for 3 phase, they give you the power for all 3 phases combined, divided by 3, and you can divide it by single phase voltage. Just keep something in mind, okay? We commonly talk about 230 volts, 400. Okay, but it's not 230, 400. It's 400, 231, or it's 230, 398. Okay? Phase-to-phase voltages. Okay? So there's going to be a slight difference, okay, with the values. Okay? Happiness. Right, what size cable are we going to use? Okay, first of all, how are we going to get the cable from there to there? What? How are we going to install the cable? Or do you bury it? Do you want it in a sleeve, or are you just going to throw it into the soil? Okay. That's your choice. Okay. Why do you want it just in the soil or in the sleeve?